In this video, I'm going to share my review of the Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos, which is an amazing modern 5-star all-inclusive, and I stayed at the 1-bedroom deluxe room with a hydro spa tub on the balcony. My name is Marilee Blair, and I've been to 54 countries so far. My goal is to bring you those peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the all-inclusive Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos, located in Los Cabos, Mexico. I stayed here for work from July 24 to July 29, 2019 for 6 days and 5 nights in the modern 1-bedroom deluxe room with a hydro spa tub on the balcony, which is a gorgeous room, and the perk of having a balcony with your own private spa is such a nice touch. The room I got is basically the most affordable room, so to have the standard room be luxurious, where you can't beat the view or the value because you automatically get a balcony, is a really great touch. But you can always upgrade to a bigger suite. At the time when I went here, it was still a newer Hard Rock hotel, and it's one of my all-time favorite Hard Rocks I've ever stayed at. The Hard Rock Hotel in Los Cabos is located on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja Peninsula, and it offers the perfect mix of activities so you don't get bored. It's one of the best places to play a round of golf. There are a lot of pool options to choose from, and an amazing spot to relax, a fitness center to work out, beach to walk on, plenty of tours to book utilizing Hard Rock Hotel's resort credit, and so many places to grab drinks and enjoy different restaurants to have food. This resort is great for families, couples, friends, bachelorette parties, reunions, and weddings. I came by myself for work and had an amazing time and made new friends, so I would also recommend it for solo travel. Activities. There are a lot of activities to do while on property at the Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos, so make sure to look at their schedule of free daily events so you can join one of their pool parties, entertainment shows, and more. And if activities cost money, it will say it on the schedule. They also offer a teen club and kids club depending on your kids' ages. So this place truly has something for every age. Tours. You can book fun tours directly with vacation planners desks at the Hard Rock Hotel, and they will let you know how to utilize your resort credit and how much your resort credit you have to use for the tours or the spa. Here are some tours that you can book here: swimming with the dolphins, Cabo San Lucas shopping tour, horseback riding tour, a luxury day sailing tour, the tropical jazz and wine boat tour, where you can visit highlights of Cabo like Lover's Beach, Land's End, and then into the Pacific for a breathtaking sunset. If you already know what you want to do, you can actually book your tours ahead of time too, directly on their website. But they also offer even more tours than this. Pools. There are 6 different pools to enjoy at the Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos, so you can't get bored if you decide to stay and relax at the resort. And 5 of the pools have swim-up bars, and 1 has water slides for kids and adults to enjoy. The pools are: number 1, the Lyric Pool, which is the biggest pool of the Hard Rock Los Cabos. Kids and adults alike can have a blast around this semi-circular swimming pool where there's a safe children's area as well as adults. This pool hosts the principal water activities, live music, foam parties, and water slides. Number 2, the Eden Pool. If you want a luxurious ambiance, this pool is the perfect venue for spending the day with a couple, friends, and family. The Eden Wet Bar and Eden Snack Bar are available for cocktails and trying some appetizers. Number 3, Legendary Pool. It's only if you are a Hard Rock Hotel Legendary guest. So if you are, you will get to enjoy being surrounded by 13 pool cabanas and fire pits, and it's the ideal place for a more intimate poolside lounging experience. Number 4, the Pulse Pool. It's one of the hotel guests' favorites for being next to the main pool. You'll get easy access to B.C.S restaurant to grab a slice of pizza, nachos, chicken wings, or burgers. It's just a few steps away from the unlimited slides of endless fun. Number 5, the Rhythm Pool. It's an adult-only pool designed to make you feel like it's part of the nearby sea. There are sunbeds placed in the middle of the pool that are available to live the vacation experience at its best. And it's also an ideal spot to relax with beautiful sunsets. Number 6, the Red Pool. It's acknowledged for its red floor, This pool features a DJ booth in the center, and they host fun pool parties. There's great music ambiance for dancing, nonstop rocker vibes, and it's great for content creators to take a lot of fun photos and video. Important information about their beach. The ocean is not swimmable here, but you can walk along, build sandcastles, or just enjoy the huge beach area. There is a lifeguard on duty to make sure no one is swimming, which is why there are so many pools for you to enjoy. Food. Now there are 8 amazing restaurants on property to enjoy. The Market. They have an amazing buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with culinary cuisine from around the world. Chow. Chow is for traditional Italian dishes and buffet breakfast in the morning. Zen. Zen is a teppanyaki-style eatery that specializes in Chinese and Japanese dishes. The main attraction is the show their chefs perform while creating memorable meals right before your eyes. They also offer Asian a la carte dining and authentic sushi counter, my favorite. There's also Ipanema. You get to enjoy the modern ambiance of this steakhouse and Brazilian grill. They also have a family-style buffet service so you can sample Brazilian delights, grilled cuts of beef, pork, or chicken. And at Ipanema, you'll get to enjoy the passionate cooking and culture of South America. Los Galos. Here you can enjoy traditional Mexican cuisine. Toro. Here you can enjoy premium cuts, again, of steak and a menu of lavish dishes. Then you can also enjoy Pizzetto, which offers the brick oven-styled pizzas. And Cafetto. You can grab a continental breakfast for the perfect way to start the morning or enjoy snacks, coffee, and tea throughout the day. And remember, you can always do in-room dining 24/7 because it's included in your all-inclusive package. Sometimes going big means keeping a low profile, stay in, enjoy your view, soak in your jacuzzi, and order up any time of day with their 24-hour room service. Drinks. Drink in the good life at one of the pool bars, swim-up bars, and lounges. Transportation. The Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos is approximately 31.5 miles from the SJD Cabo Airport. The average travel time is about 45 minutes to an hour, so I would highly recommend booking your shuttle directly with the hotel. Round-trip services cost depending on your vehicle. So for a private service regular van for 7 passengers, round trip would cost $320. For a private service luxury SUV for 4 people, it would cost $360 round trip. For a shuttle service for 1 person round trip, it would be $90. Since I came here for work, my transportation was taken care of. But if it wasn't, I definitely would have booked the 1 person round trip shuttle service for $90. If you end up renting a car though, parking is free here. So overall, I would give this hotel 5 stars for all it had. Since I loved how gorgeous and modern it was, there was just so much to enjoy on the property and different views. And I love all the different pools, the architecture of the modern resort, the gorgeous swings, the food options, and the room service while getting to enjoy the jacuzzi on the balcony. And I did enjoy some of the shopping and boat tours, which was nice to do some exploring. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the amazing Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my 5's Beach Hotel in Playa del Carmen and 5's Oceanfront Hotel in Puerto Morelos, Mexico YouTube videos that people really enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels, and I'll see you next week.